Everything you need to know about Microsoft Surface 4. Microsoft has disclosed the Surface Laptop 4 specifications. It's available in the US, Canada and Japan with 13.5 and 15-inch screens. The AMD platform starts at $999, while Intel increases the starter price of its model to $1299. If you skip the news, Microsoft released the news in a blog post casually rather than the usual 90-minute event. In today's video, we will show you that the current edition maintains the same overall architecture as the last. Between the two, the specifics vary a little: a 13.5-inch screen, 8GB of RAM and 256GB HDD display is available in the AMD base edition, whereas an Intel version begins with a greater 256GB of storage. The AMD model does not include the AMD 5000 series to deceive certain people, but it uses the older Zen 2 based chip components. The Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 is unique with its range in two formats, but will have a big upgrade as opposed to the Surface Laptop 3, this time with AMD and Intel. The Surface Laptop is designed as the Master Notebook series, which offers detachable notebook and Surface Pro 2-in-1 laptops that are more professional oriented besides the manufacturer's Surface Book. So stick on if you want to learn everything there is to know about Microsoft Surface Laptop 4. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon for more updates. Let's get started. Display and processor. Microsoft's latest Surface Laptop 4 is available with 13.5-inch or 15-inch screens, just like the Surface Laptop 3. Both are capacitive touchscreens with a 201 pixel per inch definition and a 3:2 aspect ratio, as well as Microsoft's vivid Pixel Sense monitor technology. As previously said, the Surface Laptop 4 differs from the previous Surface Laptop versions in it that it can be equipped with AMD as well as Intel processors. The AMD processor choices indeed are not from AMD's most recent Ryzen CPU lineup, the Ryzen 5000. Rather, AMD Ryzen 4000 processors will be available on the Surface Laptop 4. Both the 13.5-inch and 15-inch versions would be available with the Ryzen 7 4980U, whereas the 13.5-inch variant will also be equipped with the Ryzen 5 4680U. AMD Radeon graphics are also used in the AMD-powered versions. The processors inside the Intel-powered Surface Laptop 4 versions are from Intel's 11th Gen CPU Core i chips. The Intel Core i7 1185G7 will be available in any version, with two extra choices for the 13.5-inch model, the Core i5 1135G7 or the Core i5 1145G7. Finally, Microsoft claims that the Surface Laptop 4 offers efficiency improvements of up to 70% over the Surface Laptop 3. USB-C speaker and modern webcam. A USB-C speaker has also been revealed. It does the fundamental things such as the webcam. In contrast to the cam, it comes with integrations with Microsoft Teams. This has a capacitive button to open a control panel for Teams. And there are the specs for a lightweight 5-inch speaker, which has also been revealed by Microsoft as the modern webcam, a latest, long-awaited webcam. A 1080p, it's nothing incredible, but it seems like a well-built standard camera. Headphones 2 Plus for business. The latest Surface headphones have a named jaw, so the Surface Headphones 2 is just a latest refresh. The specification is approximately the same because, as the name for businesses indicates, these headphones have been upgraded to operate with the company's enterprise video conference tools, Microsoft Teams. Surface Headphones 2 Plus for business come complete with a button for committed Microsoft Teams and with a USB dongle with such a built-in LED display that shines in when you're silent. They're all black and for $299 a pair are sold on the open market. Design. The Surface Laptop 4 shape factor should stay the same as the 3rd Gen version, while the 13.5-inch version is offering a new ice blue tone. On the 13.5-inch version, Alcantara fabric or metal, also two keyboard designs are available. The color choices for the Alcantara design are bronze or ice blue, and the metal keyboard finish is in matte black or limestone colors. Just platinum or matte black is available for the 15-inch edition, as well as the Alcantara fabric around the keyboard cannot be allowed. The beginning size for the 13.5-inch Surface Laptop 4 is 2.79 pounds in weight and 0.57 inch in thickness, whereas the design of the 15-inch is 3.3 pounds and 0.58 inch in weight. Other specs. On battery performance, the Surface Laptop 4 is offering for use up to 19 hours for the 13.5-inch AMD edition. Microsoft's 15-inch device of AMD processors has battery performance for up to 17.5 hours. And the Intel-powered model is a little worse, up to 17 hours in the 13.5-inch device and up to 16.5 hours of battery life in the 15-inch version. The Surface Laptop 4 has an HD front-facing, a dual microphone, and a speaker system using Dolby Atmos technology with collaborative features. Surface Laptop 4 RAM offerings are ranged in lengths from 8GB to 32GB, with storage choices ranging in the size from 256 to 1TB. Price and availability. On 15th April 2021, the Surface Laptop 4 was introduced at $999. This is the initial 13.5-inch setup of AMD Ryzen 5, 8GB RAM and 256GB SSD. This price will be paid for, but you must wait for a little while if you're in Great Britain. Software and features. It's better if you get an uncluttered version of Windows 10 on every Surface system, like Surface Laptop 4. There is no sign of bloatware, meaning you wouldn't have to wait the first hour removing or uninstalling laptop starters, because you can't boot fast and conveniently every time. Honestly, we would almost suggest this laptop just outside of the bat. The Surface Laptop 4 is available in 4 colors with a very good appearance. This is really a laptop you won't be embarrassed to show off in front of your favorite coffee shop. That's all for today's video. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done already. Do give a like and we will be back with more videos. Stay tuned!